how to fix the issue where the Windows security page is blank on your computer. Now, there's a couple of different things we can do to go and fix this. The first solution is to open up your start menu. You can then search for Windows security and you need to right click on this and then press app settings. You then need to scroll down to terminate and click on this. You can then scroll down to reset and click on repair. And once that's finished, you can press reset. You can then click on the reset button. Now, once you've done all of these steps, you can go and open up the Windows security and you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's not working, you'll need to open back up the start menu and click on settings. From the left hand side, click on Windows Update and then press the check for updates button. If there's any available updates for your computer, you'll need to download and install these now. You can then scroll down to advanced options and click on this. Scroll down to optional updates and select this. And also make sure to update any pending updates inside of this window here. So you can see I have a couple of Windows updates and also driver updates as well. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and it's still not working, the last solution is to open up the start menu, search for settings and click on this window. In the left hand side, select system and then scroll down and click on recovery. Next to reset this PC, we can press reset and you'll have two options to keep your files or to remove everything. Now, I want to make sure all of my personal documents and data is not deleted, so I'm going to select keep my files. You'll then have two options of how you need to reinstall Windows, cloud download or local reinstall. You need to click on cloud download. Now, just bear in mind that this will reset all of your applications and settings back to their original defaults, and also any third-party apps that you may have installed on your computer, these will also be removed as well. So this is kind of a last resort, but this will go and fix the issue. So once you've done this, you can just go and press next and you can go through the steps to reset your PC. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.